Yo guys, so I'm drinking my coffee, checking my emails, and I freaking got the tracking for my wheels. It's coming Monday. The excitement is real. Like, I thought I was gonna have to wait a while because of how crazy everything is, but the wheels are coming Monday. Freaking excited. I can't wait to show you guys. Now I gotta figure out what kind of tires I'm gonna run, but wheels are coming. I can't believe it. But yeah, man, it's gonna be dope. As soon as it gets here, I'm gonna do a proper unboxing. I'm gonna film everything, keep you guys updated on the whole process. It's gonna be a nice journey. So if you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. The E30 is definitely gonna look totally different. Totally different. It'll be everything from performance to exterior, interior. It's gonna be a nice project for you guys to follow along, and at the end of the day, I just want to drive it. I want to drive the crap out of the car. I want to do road trips. I want to enjoy the car. So yeah, like I said, definitely consider subscribing. Hit the like button. And now I gotta go get ready. I gotta go to Best Buy. I gotta pick up another equipment for the vlogs, for the channel. Hopefully it elevates the content that much more, because it's all about progression, right? You can't just stay stagnant. So I'm trying to learn as much as I can. And yeah, so see you in a bit. And we're back. So yeah, and I'm in the 30 right now, gonna head to Best Buy, pick up that equipment. It's gonna be a learning curve once I get it. It'll be funny. Hopefully nothing tragic happened to the equipment, but it'll definitely elevate the content and the videos of the channel. So like I said, please consider subscribing if you like it. Hit the like button, and yeah, so let's shoot out to Best Buy real quick. Oh yeah, got the goodies. And of course, no matter how far I park, somebody's got to park right next to me. Never fails. Never fails. All right. Whew. Just came back from Best Buy and got the goodies. Needed a tripod. That, but the main thing I really wanted for you guys, this bad boy right here, the Mavic Air 2. A freaking drone. Get some nice shots, nice aerial shots. Can't wait to set this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a smoothie, go into my garage and set this bad boy up. Hopefully I'm able to set everything up in time to try it out today, so it's not windy, and do a test flight. Can't wait. Super excited. So this smoothie spot is right next to a pizzeria. Oh man, it's so hard to try to eat healthy, but gotta do it. Oh yeah, healthy. It's super tempting to get a slice pizza, but decided not to. This is actually pretty cool. This is, I'll explain what that is in the car. All right, this right here, it's freaking awesome. This is a muffin. It has chocolate, it has bananas, it has apples, carrots. It has all kinds of stuff, and this is fresh, nice and warm. Definitely shout out to Lulu's Empowering Goods, and it's in Lindenhurst, right on Wellwood Avenue. Highly recommend if you guys live in the area, you guys in Suffolk County. Definitely recommend them. Good service, awesome food, and the smoothie. This is a tropical storm. It has pineapple, banana, strawberry with cashew milk. Awesome. All right, I was gonna head home, but I want to eat this muffin. Guys, look at this. Check that out. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. Got the chocolate chip, looks like apple, got the carrots. Man, this is delicious with the smoothie. Oh my gosh, it is banging. Okay. All right, so we're back in my garage, and these are the goodies that I picked up from Best Buy. The Mavic Air Pro, the drone. I definitely needed a tripod, so went with the Joby tripod, and memory card, SD card for the drone. Also picked up this book bag, which I definitely needed. This, I could put everything in there. For my camera, my lens. I got two lenses. And my mic, my memory cards, all the accessories fit nicely in here. Super happy about that. All right, so this is everything that came with the Fly More combo. This one gave me extra propellers, which I know I'll probably need. Definitely needed more batteries and a few more accessories. This one actually, I didn't know it was gonna come. I don't know if the non-combo comes with the ND filters, but this one actually came, and I'm very happy about that. For those that don't know what an ND filter is, it's basically sunglasses for your lens. So it's kind of like what I have on my lens right now. I could put it darker. So with that, I can fly out, and if it's too sunny, I'll put one of these, and gives me a better image quality. So yeah, so I'm gonna set this up hopefully in time before the sun goes down, so I could do a test flight. So I'll see you in a bit. All right, so unfortunately this is taking a lot longer than what I anticipated. Still got to fully charge one of the batteries. I'm in the process of configuring the DJI app to the actual drone. This is the drone right here. I love how small and compact it is. And this is the remote. What is it? The controller, I should say. So yeah, so this might be a 2-day vlog. So for sure tomorrow I'll definitely use it for the first time right straight after work. Damn, that sucks. So I gotta go to work tomorrow, a full 10-hour shift, and then I can go ahead and enjoy this thing. But maybe tonight I'll just watch YouTube videos and learn how to fly this thing, see all the ins and outs, so tomorrow I don't make an ass out of myself, or worse, break this damn thing. So yeah, so let the vlog continue. So today I'm wrapping up today. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just gonna be messing around with the drone. Day 2 and 3, 2, 1. And we're back. What's going on, guys? All right, so just got out of work. Felt like the longest day ever because I was so excited, looking forward to getting this thing in the air. It's not the best of weather, it's cloudy, but the whole objective here is to not crash this damn thing. So without further ado, let's get this thing in the air. Bro, this thing is amazing. Yo, this thing is sick. Whew. My heart is beating, so nervous. I was scared I was gonna hit a tree or a pole. Oh my gosh, I had a close call with that pole right there. Oh my god, I didn't get to catch that on camera, but This thing is sick. I am super excited that I actually pulled the trigger on this. I don't know what took so long. I should have bought this a long time ago. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that first flight. That's one of many to come. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you liked it, please hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. But yeah, hopefully you guys stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, peace.